All right, welcome back. Welcome back. So, if you are here, then you are trying to enter. You were trying to write how you entered the actions to create Object 2 into the program, i.e., AutoCAD. That means that you've already created this beautiful circle. Yours shouldn't be red. Mine is red here, so you can see what you need to create. And in order for me to have done that, then I know the first command that I needed to do was press C. Again, if you prefer that you had pressed buttons, you can press circle. But either way, it was that command. Actually, there. I'll satisfy both people. Now, specify center point for circle. That was the second thing it asked me. So in order for me to specify 5, 7 as the center, I had to say hashtag 5 tab 7. And I press enter. But remember, I'm not going to press enter after all these because you press enter all the time. So then it asked me to specify the radius of the circle, and all I entered was 15. That's really all I did. So now let's come down here to the guiding question. What type of coordinates must you use to specify the center of the circle? So hint, it was either going to be relative or absolute. Well, since it says absolute here, then my answer is going to be absolute. Did that on accident? It's going to be absolute coordinates. And I know that because coordinates in the x, y form mean absolute location. I'm going to scroll up a little bit so I can see both. My coordinates were in the x, y form. So I must have had to use absolute coordinates. Let me space that down so I can see my differences in my answer. Oh, that's going to drive me insane. Okay, so now the second question, what is the default input for the circle command? Hint, is it diameter, radius, 2-point, or something else? Well, no matter what we did, unless we specified, right, unless we went into that drop-down menu under circle and chose circle diameter, it's always going to default onto radius. Always, always. All right, so now that you have entered this part in, you're going to come down and get started working on object 3. Having to do with absolute values, absolute coordinates again, and rectangular dimensions.